Hi there, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make Cameroonian Poulet DG. Let me introduce to you the ingredients. You need chicken. This is one whole hen that's been cut up into bite-sized pieces. I have 3 plantains, and then I have ginger and garlic, aromatic to add flavor. And then I have a ton of veggies over here. Here we have green beans, we have celery, I have leeks, onions, then I have herb, parsley, I have carrots, bell peppers, green and red, and then I have tomatoes. Then as far as the pots that you need, I usually like to use 2 pots. One to make my chicken in, and then a big pot. You need a big pot, an open pot like this one to cook your poulet DG in. So let's prepare the ingredients and then we can start cooking. So guys, these are the veggies all chopped up, the carrots, green beans, bell peppers, and the onions. And at this point, we are going to proceed with cooking our chicken. You want to cut up your chicken into bite-sized pieces and then season with salt and herbs. I'm using black pepper, anise seeds. You can use whatever herbs that you like. And then I also blended the parsley and the celery in the blender, and I'm using that to add to my chicken just to season it some more. Just season the chicken according to your taste. Yes, I think I blended ginger and garlic as well so that we have our chicken really tasty. And then we're going to cook that chicken until it is done. So while our chicken cooks, we are going to work on our plantains and the rest of the meal at this point. So in that other pot, I am adding some oil, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil to cook the plantains in. I seasoned the plantains with some salt and I am going to just pan fry it. You can deep fry the plantains if you want in oil, but doing it this way saves you some calories. So just try this method and let me know. It's not going to make much of a difference. If you're watching this video, let me know where you're watching from and I will give you a shout out in the next video. So we're going to cook our plantains maybe 3 to 5 minutes per side on about medium heat. Since we are not using too much oil, you want to cook it on medium heat so that the plantains can cook all the way through. I am telling you, it is so tasty and it is not laden with a lot of calories. Try my method. So we're gonna take that plantains out and then lightly fry our chicken in the same pan. You know, add more oil and then brown your chicken and add your veggies. So at this point, I'm coming in with my tomatoes that I blend the tomatoes and then add it to that whole mix. So we are going to stir and then cook the tomatoes for maybe 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I am cooking some carrots and green beans in the stock that chicken was cooked in. That way we can flavor and season our carrots and green beans. Guys, Poulet DG means chicken for the Director General. It is French for chicken for the Director General, and this dish was made for the movers and shakers back in Cameroon, but now everybody can make it. Okay, so you should try making this. It's a one-pot dish that comes in very handy on days when you're thinking that what can I cook that a lot of people in my house would like. So you try this. So okay, so we added the plantains and now we're just mixing up everything and we're going to adjust the seasoning. So if it needs more salt, if it needs bouillon cube, if you like to add bouillon cube, go ahead and add that. I'm just adding more salt, more black pepper, maybe thyme, you know. And if you find that it is too dry, you can add either more stock or you can add more water. So we're going to cover our pot and cook for a few more minutes until all of the flavors come together and everything is just right. If you have some green herbs like celery, parsley, green onions, whatever, you can add to your cooked poulet DG at this point to add more color. And there you have it, our poulet DG is ready. I hope you try this, my method of making poulet DG. It is not high in calories at all. So if you're trying to manage your weight, try this method. We did not use a lot of oil. This is big enough to feed a whole family. Thank you so much for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.